As you can see right now, I took the cage outside of the garage to sweep up. I didn't want to pressure wash all that stuff outside. I'd rather sweep it up, clean it up, and then pressure wash. Wife by my side, Jaquetta, yeah, she still love her African king. Children by my side, Justin, Jania, Jacia, Angelia, that's my baby girl. Learning every feather move, passing down the passion, so our dream can never lose. Jack's a parrot, pal, started with a cage and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock singing, we work so hard. Teaching my kids how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. Yeah. Started small, sunrise, cleared every tray. Feeding dreams and seeds until the prophets paved the way. Struggle for respect, counted chicks. So I'm just checking on Skittles just to make sure that he is alright, because I'm gonna get ready to start pressure washing. Showing them the difference between real and routine. Lessons in the ledger, patience with the feed. More than breeding birds, we're planting families. Yes, the parrot started with a chain and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock singing and we work so hard. Teaching my niggas how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real. So everybody, please be patient with me. I have this head band that helps me record, and a lot of times I tend to move my head very quickly, but I'm learning to move my head slow. That way you can see everything instead of everything being sudden fast movement. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. Oh, oh, yeah. Grew from cages to a company, Jack's a parrot, pals, hands in the dirt. Built my flock from the bottom, now it's family first. Wife by my side, Jaquetta, yeah, she still love her African king. Children by my side, Justin, Jania, Jacia, Angelia, that's my baby girl. Learning every feather move, passing down the passion. So right now, getting everything to set up for my pressure washer. Gonna get ready to turn up, make this thing real clean. As you can see here, I had poured some bleach and some vinegar to kind of get up that bacteria. It's good to use the bleach. Just make sure whenever you do use it, you clean it off very well, because those parrots, your birds shouldn't be smelling all those chemicals, because it's not good for you. Started small, sunrise, cleared every tray. Feeding dreams and seeds until the prophets paved the way. Struggle for respect, counted chicks, not cash. Grew from a bird in the hand to a business built to last. Sorry about this, y'all, but I had to change the nozzle out. That was a white one, but I normally use the red one. It's more powerful and the stream is a little bit more, the percentage wide is like 50%. And it's good for removing, cleaning the cage and the garage and stuff like that. So sorry about that. So now I'm about to turn up. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. From feathers and feet to a dream taking wing. I built this with patience, respect as the thing. Now the cages are open, the future's in sight. My kids hold the perch, got them flocks in the flight. Jacks to the parrot, pal, started with a cage and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock singing, we work so hard. Teaching my kids how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real bird. Sometimes that bird poop can be hard to get up. I have to keep it there for a while longer just to get it up. The only bird that's doing that right now is Skittles, the one that you just see now.
He is very bad of pooping outside his cage. But hopefully he'll do better, and I won't have to worry about cleaning outside the cage like this. But we already know, for those of you who own parrots, you already know that this is going to happen. It's part of the game. One thing you can do is just put stuff down to prevent it from getting too bad.
Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Grew from cages to a company, Jack's a Parrot pals, hands in the dirt. Built my flock from the bottom, now it's family first. Wife by my side, Jaquetta, yeah, she still love her African king. Children by my side, Justin, Jamia, Jasia, and Jalea, that's my baby girl. Learning every feather move, passing down the passion, so our dream can never lose. Jack's a parrot pal, started with a cage and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock singing, we work so hard. Teaching my kids how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. Yeah. Started small, sunrise, cleaning every trade. Feeding dreams and seeds until the prophets paved the way. Struggle for respect, counted chicks, not cash. Grew from a bird in the hand to a business built to last. Kids in the aviary, eyes wide on the scene, showing them the difference between rare and routine. Lessons in the ledger, patience with the feed. More than breeding birds, we're planting families. Yeah, started with a chain and a dream in the yard.
Poop guard had a lot of poop on it, so it took me a while to clean that area up. But once I got done with it, you're going to see how good it cleaned up all the poop. That's one thing I love about the pressure washer. The pressure washer just made things a lot easier, especially if you're owning more than one macaw. Before I even used the pressure washer, I was just doing it by hand with a straw pad, and it normally takes me 30 minutes to an hour just to clean one cage. But this right here narrows it down to like 10 to 15 minutes at the most.
Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. Oh, oh, yeah. Grew from cages to a company, Jack's a Parrot pals, hands in the dirt. Built my flock from the bottom, now it's family first. Wife by my side, Jaquetta, yeah, she still love her African king. Children by my side, Justin, Jamia, Jasia, and Jalea, that's my baby girl. Learning every feather move, passing down the passion, so our dream can never lose. Jack's a parrot pal, started with a cage and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock singing, we work so hard. Teaching my kids how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. Yeah. Started small, sunrise, cleaning every trade. Feeding dreams and seeds until the prophets paved the way. Struggle for respect, counted chicks, not cash. Grew from a bird in the hand to a business built to last. Kids in the aviary, eyes wide on the scene, showing them the difference between rare and routine. Lessons in the ledger, patience with the feed. More than breeding birds, we're planting families. Yeah, Parrot started with a chain and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock singing, we work so hard. Teaching my kids how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. From feathers and feet to a dream taking wing. I built this with patience, respect as the thing. Now the cages are open, the future's in sight. My kids hold the perch, guiding flocks in the flight. Jacks to the parrot pal, started with a cage and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock singing, we work
To be honest, both cages was actually pretty bad, so it took me longer than normal. But I'm glad that I was able to get the job done.
Yeah. Grew from cages to a company, Jacks a Parrot pals, hands in the dirt. Built my flock from the bottom, now it's family first. Wife by my side, Jaquetta, yeah, she still love her African king. Children by my side, Justin, Jania, Jasia, Angelia, that's my baby girl. Learning every feather move, passing down the passion, so our dream can never lose. Jack's a parrot pal, started with a cage and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock singing, we work so hard. Teaching my kids how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. Yeah. Started small, sunrise, cleaning every trade. Feeding dreams and seeds until the prophets paved the way. Struggle for respect, counted chicks, not cash. Grew from a bird in the hand to a business built to last. Kids in the aviary, eyes wide on the scene, showing them the difference between rare and routine. Lessons in the ledger, patience with the feed. More than breeding birds, we're planting families. Yes, the parent talk started with a change and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock saying in a way you work so hard. Teaching my nits how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. From feathers and feet to a dream taking wing. I built this with patience, respect as the thing. Now the cages are open, the future's in sight. My kids hold the perch, guiding flocks in the flight. Jacks to the parrot pal, started with a cage and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock singing, we work so hard. Teaching my kids how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. Grew from cages to a company, Jacks a Parrot pals, hands in the dirt. Built my flock from the bottom, now it's family first. Wife by my side, Jaquetta, yeah, she still love her African king. Children by my side, Justin, Jania, Jasia, Angelia, that's my baby girl. Learning every feather move, passing down the passion, so our dream can never lose. Jack's a parrot pal, started with a cage and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock singing, we work so hard. Teaching my kids how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. Yeah. Started small, sunrise, cleaning every trade. Feeding dreams and seeds until the prophets paved the way. Struggle for respect, counted chicks, not cash. Grew from a bird in the hand to a business built to last. Kids in the aviary, eyes wide on the scene, showing them the difference between rare and routine. Lessons in the ledger, patience with the feed. More than breeding birds, we're planting families. Yes, the parent talk started with a change and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock saying in a way you work so hard. Teaching my nits how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. From feathers and feet to a dream taking wing.
I'm making sure that the driveway is cleaned off good because I don't want the kids to track it inside the house.
Jacks to the parrot pal, started with a cage and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock singing, we work so hard. Teaching my kids how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. Oh. from cages to a company, Jacks and Parrot pals, hands in the dirt. Built my flock from the bottom, now it's family first. Wife by my side.
I'm cleaning this off because my wife wanted me to. If you look at the 5 minutes before this right here, I actually pressure washed it and it ripped it. So don't tell my wife, and I won't, because she's not gonna like that.
Jack's a parrot pal, started with a cage and a dream in the yard. Now the whole flock singing, we work so hard. Teaching my kids how to spread them wings. Legacy flying, we the real bird kings. Yeah. Started small, sunrise, cleaning every trade. Feeding dreams and seeds until the prophets paved the way. Struggle for respect, counted chicks, not cash. Grew from a bird in the hand to a business built to last. Kids in the aviary, eyes wide.